Hello, everyone. Surely you've seen beautiful thumbnail in YouTube Shorts. But how can you make such an intriguing and eye-catching thumbnail? Let's figure it out. Important to know, if you upload videos through YouTube's Creative Studio, you cannot directly create an intro there. But no problem. Just upload the video through the YouTube app on your phone. Step 1. Open the uploaded video and go to the page where you enter the title. Here in the upper left corner, you will see a pencil icon. Step 2. Click on this pencil. You will have the option to select an intro directly from your video. Simply choose the frame that you think will best attract viewers' attention. If you want to make a thumbnail from a frame not in your video, go back to the video creation stage. I will use Canva for this. In Canva, add the desired image with a caption or emoji to increase the attractiveness and clickability of your video. The duration of the intro can be just 0.2 seconds, but that's enough to grab attention. After you save this video and upload it through the YouTube app, you can choose this screenshot as a thumbnail. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like if you want to see more such tips.